Hi, good morning everyone. I am Tippeswamy Are. I am doing presentation on Sensortronic Brake Control System. First of all, we should know what is mean by Sensortronic Brake Control System. Sensortronic Brake Control System is an innovative electrically controlled brake system that is faster and more precious than the conventional braking system. And also we have know that about ABS anti-braking system, and it is an advanced version of ABS system. We can tell that, and it is purely mechatronic system, means combination of mechanical and electronics. It is known as mechatronics. And in this the brake booster will not be needed in the future. And it is also judges the driving scenario. Next, we should know what is how sensortronic brake control system will works. In sensortronic brake control system will also called as SBS. Okay, in it is used electronic impulses is used here, and a high pressure reservoir and electrically controllable valves ensure that maximum brake pressure is available much sooner. Offer innovative additional functions in this SBS system are traffic jam assist and soft stop. Normally in normal vehicles, in slippery areas, especially in slippery areas, the vehicles may get slip, but if you use SBS system, the vehicles will not go slip. It will means it will stop very smoothly. This is the advantages of SBS system. Next, why sensortronic brake means why we needed a sensortronic brake control system. First, here brake pedal and control unit is used. Brake pedal, yeah, normally brake pedal is used as a used vacuum as used as a brake pedal in normal vehicles, but in sensortronic brake control system, electronics is used as brake control system. Brake and pedal electronics is used. Next, control unit is pressure modulators for each wheel, means for every wheel pressure modulators will be fixed to control the unit, and it is very fast and very accurate. Next, where the blue color will shows the conventional braking system, means nowadays we are using the vehicles, no, four wheelers or two wheelers, anything that shows the conventional braking system. Means in the curves, especially in the curves, in conventional braking system, if you use the brakes, sometimes it will get slips and go other way. But in SBS system, means sensortronic brake control system, it will not happens like that, because all the four wheels will activate, so it will controls the slipping action. Next, the components used in SBS braking system is microcomputer, high pressure accumulator, hydraulic unit, and wheel speed sensor. Wheel speed sensor is fixed to all four wheels. Microcomputer, this is microcomputer is used to calculate the braking force in for each wheel individually, means for all four wheels it will calculate. High pressure accumulator contains the brake fluid which flows into the system. Hydraulic unit, you all knows about the hydraulic unit, the meter of the brake pressure according to the requirements, it will pass to the brakes. Next, wheel speed sensor is used to generate the signals representative of the wheels, depends upon the wheel speed, it generates the signals and sends to the microcomputer. Next, the components of the SBS system you can see in the parts as labeled. Hydraulic lines, wheel speed sensor, control module, wheel speed sensor, and lateral acceleration sensor, wheel speed sensor are fixed to all the four wheels. You can see that wheel speed sensor in the front and back for all the four wheels, it has been fixed to monitor the each and individually speed of all four wheels. Next, what are the features of SBS? In emergency braking system and driving stability and comfort and braking in concerns. Emergency braking, it recognizes the driver's rapid movement from the accelerator and to the brake pedal. Means if the vehicle will stop suddenly while we moving, and the front vehicle will stop suddenly, and we will also apply the brake pedal very fast. At the time it will sense us very fast, and it will uh, it will slow down the slippery action of that vehicle. Next, driving stability means it stops the car from turning aside suddenly. In normal vehicles, while turning, means in curve sections and guard sections, while taking turns, Sometimes it will get slipped suddenly. By using SBS system, it will stops that comfort. It provides a comfort particularly during sharp declaration and when anti-lock braking system is operational. Next, braking consist. SBS offers the possibility of assigning brake force in a way appropriate to the situation. Next, electronic sensors used in SBS. What are the electronic sensors used in SBS? Is pedal travel sensor, steering angle sensor, wheel speed sensor, and hydraulic unit sensor. Pedal travel sensor situated at the brake pedal to know the how much fast we used to apply the pedal. Steering angle situated at the steering, because while taking the turn sometimes we used to turn very fast, at the time it will sensors. Wheel speed sensor, it is situated for all the four wheels, where I have explained you in the last slide. Next, hydraulic unit sensor situated at the only front wheel, because the hydraulic tank will be fixed in the front. To supply the hydraulic fluid, it will be fixed at the front. Next, you can see where are the sensors placed in the car body. In the last slide we have explained all the four sensors. No, you can come to know where they have fixed. You can come to know that in this picture. Next, main components and functions of SBS is anti-braking system and electronic stability control. Anti-lock braking system, it is a safety system which prevents the wheels on a motor vehicle from locking up while braking. Electronic stability control means it is a computerized technology that improves the safety of a vehicle stability by detecting and minimizing skids. Next, main components and functions we have explained. Next, add-on functions. What are the functions of SBS? Drive away assist, traffic jam assist function, drive braking, and soft stop. What is meant by drive away assist system? It prevents the car from rolling backwards or forwards on hill or steep drives. Means we can come to know that forwards on hill means in ghat sections, like for example I can give that Agumbe ghat section. It's a very hairpin curves and very uphill. At that time sometimes the car can get backwards. By using SBS system we can stop that. Traffic jam assist function means in traffic drivers only need to use the accelerator pedal by using this system. Drive braking activated when car's windscreen wipers are running. Soft stop ensures particularly gentle and smooth stopping. What are the future scope of this system? Automatically guide the cars of the future along the roads. Future along the roads with the aid of video cameras, radar, and advanced telematics. Use of electronic autopilot mode in emergency braking system. What are the advantages? Merit means it is advantages. It raises braking comfort, reduces the time for application of brakes, provides stability control, provides soft and smooth stop during normal braking. What are the demerits of SBS? We can know that if you take any systems, there will be always advantages and disadvantages. Means merits and demerits. We have demerits in this system also. That is mainly cost, assembly, and difficulty for maintenance. Cost, it increases the cost. Assembling slight complex assembly, difficult for maintenance, prone to environment conditions. Thank you.